Yo, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be installing some LED taillights on my Silverado. I'm going to be replacing these stock ones. There's nothing wrong with them, it's just they're stock. Yeah, let me show you guys which ones I got. Real easy install. Check it out. Boom. These are, I cannot wait to install these. Oh. I haven't even seen them yet. How they look in person. Damn. Just a nice tail light. Almost said headlight. With the C insert. Alright. Just two Phillips heads. And let's see. Alright, so now that the tail light is out, you're just gonna want to take out all these bulbs because the LED one plugs right into them. Hopefully this reverse light is actually bright and not just, you know, because I mean each one's a LED. Check out the difference though. Stock one, LED. I cannot wait to see this bar light up. Alright guys, so I got that one in. Check out that difference. Damn. Okay. There's only one reason I almost didn't buy these, and that was all these LEDs. But nah, it looks nice. I was scared it looks kind of rice, but I don't care. It looks way better than the stock one. Let me go ahead and put this one on real quick and see if they even work. Check this out. Oh, any day now. Come on. You see that? That's pretty dope. Just finished installing them. I'm real happy with the way they look. Check it out. LED tail lights on my 2008 Silverado. Let me turn them on so you guys could see. Didn't have to turn the truck on, but whatever. Let me show you guys. Boom, check that out. That looks pretty dope, doesn't it? The turn signal, it does a cool little, I forget the word, what it is, little sequence. Let me show you guys. Since I'm running all LEDs up front, it does have hyper flash. So check this out. I need to get that fixed. I already have resistors. I just need to install them. Alright, so that's what it looks like without the hyper flash. I got the hazards on. LED reverse lights, LED tail lights, and I forget the name of this, but yeah, cool little C shape like the newer trucks. Yeah, I'm real happy with the tail lights. I got them on eBay for those that are gonna ask. I don't remember the price of it. They weren't too bad. And then up in the front, got brand new clear headlights with no amber. Got LED switchbacks, LED headlights, high beams, and fog lights. HD grille. So yeah, slowly this truck's coming along. I mean, it still looks real stock, but I mean, slowly but surely, it's coming along. I'm really happy with the way the tail lights look. Let's see, am I forgetting anything? I don't think I am. But once I'm at it, I'm gonna replace these with LEDs. Alright, so right here I have some ice white 194s LEDs for these that I'm gonna be installing on the for the parking, I mean the, what's it called, the damn license plate lights out with the old. There's the bulb that and here's the LED I will be replacing it with. Alright, so before installing, always make sure they work, because right now, before recording this clip, I turned the lights on and none of them turned on because they were on the wrong way with LEDs. It's either one way or the other. So now you just, it's kind of hard to access with the hitch compared to my O2. Let's see. Boom. Oh, installed. Looking much better. Alright, got that all nice and done. Now I have LEDs on for the license plate. I also got this before I ended today's video. Hey, what's up? I had this on my O2 a long time ago before I ever took the hitch off. But yeah, I'm gonna throw this on real quick, and yeah. Alright. Okay, now I'm just gonna install some more LEDs. Now I'm gonna be putting one right there in the dome, getting rid of that ugly yellow light. And yeah, should be easy. Just get a flathead screwdriver and try to pry it in without breaking it. Whoa. Rip. Whoop. Just like that. Boom, you got two of them right there. Just take them out. One last look at the ugly yellow stock bulbs. And with the new, just put them in. Let's see the difference. Boom! What's up? Blinding you. Oh, what? Fell. I think that one fell out. Let me fix it real quick. Alright, look at that. Much better. Big difference. It actually lights up now. Super easy. Alright guys, check it out. Got a little darker outside, so I wanted to get another little clip. Check it out though. Really liking these tail lights. I've always wanted some of these. I was gonna get some for my O2. I'll probably will later on. But yeah, check this out. Got the LEDs right there. The little bow tie hitch cover. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Please comment down below what you think. What should I do next? What do you think I'm gonna do next? If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Got a lot more content of this truck coming real soon. It's coming along slowly. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, see you. Oh no, or should I say, see you.